This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much to lift a truck. We'll dive right into understanding the different reasons why truck owners choose to lift their vehicles, whether it's for conquering challenging off-road trails, fitting those impressive, oversized tires, or simply achieving a more commanding presence on the road. We'll cover the fundamental concepts behind truck lifts and what you need to know to get started. When considering how much to lift your truck, you'll primarily encounter two main types of kits: suspension lifts and body lifts. Suspension lifts involve replacing or modifying components like springs, shocks, and control arms to raise the entire vehicle's chassis. Body lifts, on the other hand, use spacers to elevate the truck's body from its frame, typically offering a lift of 1 to 3 inches without altering the suspension geometry. Each has distinct advantages, depending on your goals. Deciding on the ideal lift height depends heavily on your intended use. For many, a modest 2-inch to 3-inch lift is perfect for accommodating slightly larger tires and navigating light off-road conditions without drastically altering the truck's driving dynamics. If you're aiming for more aggressive off-roading or want to fit significantly larger tires, a 4-inch to 6-inch lift might be more suitable. Remember, anything beyond 6 inches usually requires substantial additional modifications and can impact daily drivability. After lifting your truck, there are a few critical considerations to keep in mind. You'll likely want to upgrade to larger tires and wheels to complement the new stance and maximize off-road performance. Immediately following installation, a professional wheel alignment is absolutely essential to correct steering geometry and prevent premature tire wear. Also, be prepared for potential changes in your truck's handling characteristics, braking performance, and even a slight decrease in fuel efficiency due to increased drag and tire size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.